Hey, yeah, how are you guys doing? Welcome to another day in the life of SparkDriver, you guys. It's Saturday, and guess what? It's 4:40 p.m. right now, and I was like, you know what? Let me go make this money so I can get something that I want. Like, this money is gonna be all on me, like, and I'm gonna spend it today, y'all. I'm gonna spend it today. Because there's this stuff that I want in the Walmart that I need to buy. I have been busy the whole entire day. I was cleaning. I was cleaning the whole entire day. So I was like, okay, I'm not even done. But I was like, you know what? Let me take a break. Let me take a little break and go to work. Let me go to work so I can, because I need so many stuff in the house. So I was like, let me go make some few dollars so I can give those stuff. So here I am, coming to make this money. So yeah, and I have my first order already. It's $14 going 3 mile, and I'm going to shop for 8 items, y'all. 8 items. So let's go. All done. Let's go check out, y'all. Let's go check out. I am here, you guys. Let's drop our first drop off. Ouch! And let's ring the doorbell because I need to verify her. Her ID. Let's get this. Hey, where is Mama? I need your ID. We just got another order, you guys. $34, and it's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for 42 items, you guys, and it's going 9 miles. Let's go. And I just found out one of my Walmart have this incentive going on. It's from 8 to 11. So I'm gonna be here, you guys. So every shopping orders that I take, they're gonna add $4 on it. Like every shopping order, $4. So your girl's gonna be here. So I can make this money. You know, your girl's gonna be here, you guys. Let's go shop this stuff. Let's go shop, y'all. Let's go shop it. All done. Yo, cart is full. The cart is full. Let's go check out. Let's go here. So you guys, this order is taking me to my other side of Walmart, like the Walmart that I used to work at. So right now I don't know what to do, if I should go back over there because they have some incentive on the other Walmart, or just stay here. I don't know, you guys. And to go back to my other Walmart, it would take like 15 more minutes to go back over there. So I have no idea. I don't know if I should just stay to this Walmart and work here until I have an order that takes me back to the other side. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But yeah, this order here was 15-minute drive, yeah. So I have like 3 more minutes left. But anyway, the incentive haven't started yet. The incentive is gonna start at 8 o'clock, and right now it's 5:55. So let me work to this Walmart, and then once like 8 hit, maybe I will go back to the other Walmart. So let's do that. Let me stay to this Walmart here since it's more closer. Okay, yeah, I'm ready. I am ready. So let's take this, and I will have to knock on the door because I need to verify his ID. So you guys, it's been a minute. They're not answering the doorbell. Let me try to call them. Got another shopping order, you guys. Got another order, you guys. $14 going for Mayo, and we're only shopping for 8 items. 8 or 6, I don't remember. But yeah. Oh my God, here we go again. I hate here. I hate when I have to press this for somebody to come. Oh Lord. So luckily this time, they didn't take a long time. She came up quick, yeah. I was so surprised. So let's go and check out right now, yeah. Check out. She said knock on the door. That's why they're not done. Got another order, you guys. $23. Shopping for 23 items. And it's going through my yard. Alright, let's go shopping, you guys. Alright. I'm done shopping. This one here took a minute, y'all. It really took a minute. It's a lot of them, so let me do that. Look how the milk's messed up my car. Okay, you guys, I just dropped my order, and right now it's 7:33, and the incentive on the other Walmart is start at 8. So I don't know if I should go, y'all. I might go there and there's not shopping orders because the incentive is only on shopping orders, and I'm just wasting my time there. So I don't know, y'all, and it's 15-minute drive. Or should I just stay here and wait for my orders? I don't know what to do because it's almost about that time, y'all. It's about that time. $4 on every shopping orders till 11. I don't know. So you guys, I am going to the other Walmart, you guys, because a lot of orders are coming from that side, and it's a lot of shopping orders, and nothing was coming in from this Walmart here. So I said, you know what, I'm wasting time here. Let me just drive there and go. And like a few minutes ago, I just received an order. Normally it says $13 and it's going 0.9 mile, and I'm shopping for 12 items. But if I add my incentive, my $4 incentive, it's gonna be $17. Yeah, $17. So let's go. And right now it's 8:04. 8:04, you guys. Okay, I'm here, so I'm about to make this one trip. I do not want to come back. One trip. And this apartment have 2 interests, that one and this one. So I want to go on this one first. It's 1D. So let me go this way first. If it's not this way, then I'm going to go here. Yeah, what's the right place? Yo, so it got so slow right now. It's 8 something. It got so slow. So as I told you guys, I am missing too many stuff in my house that I need to buy, and I am in here buying my stuff, y'all. I'm in here buying my stuff. I need to try this one. I need to be washing my bath a bathtub with this, so I'm gonna get this one, y'all. I really need it. Let me show you what I got so far. I got these lentils. I love lentils, and my kids also love it. And I got this one. Yo, I can't miss this one in my house. They help me a lot with washing dishes and all that. Oh Lord. So, and I got this Fabuloso. If you know, like, there is a better quality of this, let me know, because I have been using this for years. And this is my first time going to try this, y'all. It's my first time going to try this. And I got this one. And this one's for my kids. They asked for it, so let me keep shopping. Ooh, I've been looking for this, y'all. I've been looking for this. I need to get this, yeah. Let me get this one. And this one, y'all, it smells good. I need to take this one as well. Take this one. And I need water. We need water at home. Let me give one pack of water. I also love to give those kids water, but they don't have it right now because my kids be they are wasteful when it comes to water. Oh, here is one. Oh, I can't. I can't reach, y'all. Oof. Yesterday I was here, right? And I saw this cute black jacket. Yo, it was super cute. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna come tomorrow and get it. It was 2 jackets, different colors, and they're gone. Oh my God. I am super mad, y'all. This was for my daughter. Like, I was ready for it today. Like, let me go get that jacket. And it's nowhere to be found, y'all. Oh, let me go check this one out here. Oh, let me take my cart with me. I'm leaving my cart behind. I think, let me try to go this way. Jacket was this one, but in black. This one in black, yeah. And it is this. Oh, here they are. But these are small sizes. These are small sizes. But they're super cute jackets. I love them. $38. Really love them. But they took a size. Well. And yeah, this is my favorite deodorant here. Para Fresh. Favorite. And I need to get it for my Christmas treat. I need this, y'all. I really need this. Okay, this is the last thing that I'm grabbing, y'all. I need socks. I don't know where my socks be going. Like, oh, I don't know. Like, okay, the last thing that I'm grabbing here is socks, y'all. Socks. I am out, you guys. Let me end this video over here. Thank you for watching, you guys. And I made for today 104, you guys. 104. That's how much money I made. And guess how much I spent over here? Guess how much money I spent? 105. I made 105 and I spent 104. So I spent all the money that I made, yeah. But I am so happy because I spent what I worked for. So, and all this stuff that I buy, we need in the house. Okay. Where did I park? I don't see my car anywhere. Did I come through this entrance? Yo. Okay. Never mind. I see it. All right, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. I love you guys. See you tomorrow.